Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is very special video for all beginners traders because in this video I am going to guide you that how you can take your first trade in real market. So this is complete a guide that how you can start forex trading. First we'll create account in this broker. After this we'll create a trading account and then we connect a trading account with MetaTrader 5. So let's start. So first you need to click on the link given in video description. After this click on create a live account. This is account opening form. Here you need to write your email address, phone number, and set your password. Click register. Here you need to provide some more information. Select your country. Click next. Write your first name, last name, date of birth, building number or house number, town or city, state, postal code, country, street number, and click submit. Click continue. Provide identity documents. Continue on this device. Non-US resident. Click continue. Select your verification type. I am going to verify with the ID card and click next. Upload a color photo or file. Take a photo in a well-lit room. Don't edit image of your documents. So click on upload front side and upload your documents. After verifying your account, click on MetaTrader 5 and download MetaTrader 5 from here. So I have already MT5 software in my system. So after installing MT5, go to my trading account option, click on live and click on create new account. I'm going to open demo account with same process. Click on create new account. Select account type, standard, trading platform MT5, currency USD, leverage 1:500 and set your trading amount and click submit. Your demo account is set up. We have emailed you the login details. So in this way simply you can open your trading account. Now open your Gmail. Open this mail. So to connect our trading account with MT5 we need three things: account, trading account login number, login password and server. So open your MT5, go to file option, click open an account. Here you need to search your broker, Blueberry. Click find your company. Select this one, Blueberry Markets Pty, and click next. Select connect with existing account. Here you need to paste your trading account login number. This is our trading account login number. Copy this and paste here. Write your password. This is our trading account password. Copy this. Open MT5 and paste here. And this is our server name, Blueberry Markets Demo. Blueberry Markets Demo, and click finish.
Incoming mail.
So in this way you can connect your trading account with MT5. Now you are ready to trade. Please like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.